Hello and welcome to all the students of grade 10. In this video, we discuss about the office practice and accountancy. So, let's start today's video. Okay, in this video, we discuss the final account. But before starting the final account, we discuss the contents of office practice and accountancy. Okay, in this subject there are several chapters. Let's discuss what are they. Okay, the first chapter we have office procedures, in which we discuss about the Tiffany report, resolution, etc. Similarly, we have filing and indexing. In this chapter we discuss about the different methods of filing and types of filing, and also discuss about the indexing as well. Okay, next chapter we have trade. In this chapter we discuss about home trade and foreign trade, and we also discuss the procedure of both the trade. Okay, next chapter we have financial institutions. In this chapter we discuss about the different types of financial institutions. Okay, like different types of bank and insurance companies. Okay, next chapter we have trial balance. After that, final accounts, where we discuss about its different types: trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Okay, next chapter we have government accounting system. After that, journal voucher. After that, bank passbook, and then budget sheet, and at last we discuss about monthly statement. Okay, these are the different chapters which are included in accounting for grade 10 student. So let's start. So let's start with final accounts. This is one of the important chapter for account student. Okay, final accounts is important for every business organization because it is the final process of accounting. We all know that accounting is important for all the business organizations because it keeps the record of financial information. Okay, and financial transactions are very important for every organization. Okay, so final accounts keep the record of financial accounting for various purposes. It is prepared at the end of accounting year. Accounting year को end मा चाहिँ final account बनाउने रहेछ. Okay, it is prepared to determine the profit and loss as well as the financial position of a business organization for particular period, for a given period. Okay, so particular period मा कति profit भयो कति loss भयो भन्ने कुराहरुको चाहिँ calculation final account ले गर्ने रहेछ. That's why there is certain time interval for preparing final accounts. Okay, and final account is the combination of trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Okay, so what is trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet? Let's discuss first. Okay, so trading account means it is the first stage of final account. Okay, first stage where we record the direct income and direct expenses of a business organization. Profit and loss account is the second steps of final account. In this account, we generally keeps a record of indirect income and indirect expenses. Okay, and the profit and loss account helps to find out the net profit or net loss of the organization. Okay, that means profit and loss account is prepared to find out the net profit or net loss of the organization for a given period. Okay, similarly, next, balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet is prepared to find out the financial position of the business organization. Business organization को financial position, strength छ, कति strong छ or weak छ भन्ने कुराहरुको चाहिँ यसले चाहिँ एक्ज्याक्ट फिगर प्रोभाइड गर्ने हुन्छ ब्यालेन्स सिटले. Okay, similarly, let's discuss about the definition of final accounts. So what is final account? Final accounts are the financial statement. It is the financial statement. You have a financial statement which are prepared to determine the amount of profit earned or loss occurred during a particular time and to keep the exact financial position of business of that period. कुनै पर्टिकुलर पिरियडको प्रफिट अथवा लस डिटरमाइन गर्नको लागि बनाइन्छ फाइनल अकाउन्ट र सिमिलरली त्यो पिरियड भरिको चाहिँ फाइनान्शियल पोजिसन कस्तो छ भन्ने कुराहरू पनि यसले प्रोभाइड गर्ने रहेछ. द्याट्स व्हाई फाइनल अकाउन्ट इज इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर एभ्री बिजनेस अर्गनाइजेसन. So let's discuss about the objectives of final account. किन इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ भन्ने कुराहरू चाहिँ यहाँ हामी डिस्कस गरौँ. ओके, सो टु डिटरमाइन ग्रस प्रफिट, ग्रस लस, नेट प्रफिट, नेट लस of the business organization during the year, final account is important. Gross profit, gross loss can be determined by preparing trading account. Similarly, net profit, net loss can be determined by preparing profit and loss account. Okay. Similarly, to provide the true financial position of the business, final account is important. True financial position means the exact position of the financial status of the business organization. Okay, it can be determined by preparing balance sheet. Similarly, to make effective control on the financial activities of the business perform various financial activities. Okay, and those activities should be controlled manually by the office. Okay, so next, to communicate the operating result. Operating result means whether it's profit or loss of the business organization, that should be communicated to the concerned officers to make different plan and policies. Okay, and next we have to help in making a different financial decisions to the users of accounting information. Accounting information use गर्ने users भन्नाले internal user पनि हुन सक्छ र external users हरु पनि हुन सक्छ. Okay, internal users भनेको managers हरु, they are involved in making different types of financial decisions. They should formulate different plan and policies, and to prepare different plan and policies, they need the financial information which can be obtained from the final accounts. Okay, so these are the different objectives of final accounts. Okay, now let's discuss about the steps of final account. We already mentioned that there are 3 steps of final account. Okay, first step is trading account, second step is profit and loss account, and third step is balance sheet. Okay, first step let's discuss, that is trading account. Trading account is that type of account which include the transaction relating in the factories, like direct expenses which are incurred in the factories. Similarly, direct incomes like sales. Okay, in profit and loss account, we record the different transaction relating to office. Okay, all the indirect income are recorded in credit side, and indirect expenses are recorded in debit side of profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is prepared to find out the net profit or net loss of the business organization. Okay, third one is balance sheet. Okay, it is the statement, it's not an account, it is only the statement which is prepared to find out the financial position of a business organization. Okay, it records the capital and liabilities in left hand side and assets in right hand side. Okay, these are the 3 types of final accounts. Thank you for watching this video.